Yet another Samsung 50-inch set. The board that was sent by a customer was a total loss, so we're exchanging it and making sure that that's the right one. That's the original lower buffer board. We replace the top one. Give no warranty. I'm going to put a date on this one. That's 12/10/14. I'm going to do the same here. CTVR 12/10/14, and we're going to add our sticker at the bottom of the board. It's not done yet. I'm going to turn it on now. Okay, starting up. Okay, shift menu. Alright, that's the TV, and that's the system that works on it. That's all. Thanks.